Vanakkam, myself Prakash Saras, working in the Department of Automobile Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about basic procedure for car maintenance. Take care of your car in the garage and the car will take care of you on the road. The maintenance of a vehicle or machines is the process of keeping it good condition by regularly checking it, repairing it when necessary. Keeping up with regular maintenance schedule can help by preventing costly repairs of the cooling system, transmission system, drivetrain and other components. Preventive car care reduce wear and tear of the engine and other components that extend the life of your vehicle and improve the performance of our vehicle and improve the economical, mileage wise also increased for regular maintenance. Checking the oil level engine, it is most important thing in our engine. One of the first thing on your vehicle maintenance checklist should be the engine oil. There are a variety of ways to maintain your engine oil, but one of the simplest is adding a clean engine oil first. Pull out the engine oil dipstick to determine the level and color of the oil. If it is black, you need to change it. If it is brown, then there is not much to worrying about it. We also need to check the level from the markers on the dipstick and make sure it is not too low. Finally, you gently add a fresh one to the engine oil tank, but do not fill it to the brim. If fill it more than the capacity, the leakage will be occurred. The leakage appears means gaskets, maybe engine oil, bottom of the sump gasket will be damaged. So do not add more level at the standard level. Maintain our standard level. Do not add at the more level of the engine oil. Refilling the engine coolant and transmission fluid. It is also an important thing for smooth operation in our vehicle. Your car needs a regular engine coolant to lessen the endothermic process to occur within the engine. The engine coolant is in the overflow tank. All you need to do, mix the coolant with water and add it into the tank when the level is low. It is very important to make sure your engine is not hot when adding the coolant. Transmission fluid helps in the smooth functioning of all the parts inside your vehicle transmission. To avoid any damage or replacement, check your transmission fluid regularly. We must concentrate our engine coolant oil level. Why? Because we are continuously gaining the performance of the engine. Getting smooth performance means we have to change certain interval for the coolant oil. Third one is engine air filter. Air filter is most important thing in the engine. Why? Because we just collect the dust particles from the atmospheric air. A well-maintained air filter can improve the vehicle fuel efficiency and help decrease emissions. So this is a dirty one, this is a cleaned one. Dirty ones, you see the dirty one appears a blacky dirt particles. So we have to change a new one, this condition of air filter. Next, brake maintenance. It is very important thing in our vehicle. Heart of the vehicle. This is called a heart of the vehicle. Brake maintenance. Now, generally in car we used in a hydraulic braking system. So brake pedal and small piston, cylinder, master cylinder available. Every year close to 80,000 Indians die in the road accident, and a car brake failure is often one of the reasons for mishap on the road. So brake failure if we are not maintained properly, definitely the accident may be occurred. The brake troubles, bleeding of air. If you are servicing our brake, if you are changing a brake shoe, changing a fluid level, at the time the master cylinder filled with air. So we have to remove that particular air, that is called bleeding of air. Air bleeding or bleeding of air. So this is also a important maintenance in brake. And fifth one is the tire maintenance. It is very important. We have to maintain a correct inflation. Tires inflated to the recommended pressure will maintain the equal wear across the tire. If we are under wear, less than the standard value, underinflated tire causes excessive tire wear at the shoulders of the tire. The center of the tire will be wear less. The edges of the tire appeared more wear. And overinflation appears, the center of the tire may be quickly damaged and wear. The shoulder of the tire will be less. So we have to maintain a proper inflation. Make sure you check your tire pressure every month, and especially before going on the long road trips. And seventh one is a battery maintenance. It is most important thing of a battery. Your car engine and other electrical parts run from the power supplied by the battery. It can be damaged because of extreme weather condition and especially during colder days. Check the connections, keep it corrosion free, and identify if there are charging and discharging problems. If you find any issues during your inspection, get it fixed immediately or replace it with a new battery. So in battery we have a positive terminal, negative terminal, and a positive electrode and negative electrode. The solution H2SO4. So we have to monitor and periodically for the battery. And the eighth one is the electrical maintenance. Check your car's handling regularly, car headlight regularly. A foggy headlight can limit your visibility and put your life at risk. To inspect its condition, park your car in front of flat surface and tune on your headlights. Also check the condition of parking lights and brake lights. If you find them faulty, get them fixed immediately. So these are the very important maintenance in the car. I hope all of you enjoyed. Thank you.